on me. And he using with the laughing dog there that always barking over me. And I totally, many days I ignore on that because I don't want to spend my time with that kind of a crazy dog that always barking, and then the big wallet is feeding for it. Well, that is a breaking news, no? Even his life, he cannot fixing on. He mad because he afraid that people notice in the social media of who he is. Well, even I telling here, everybody, the old people, since knowing with you since before, those hater with you, ban aka big wallet. I said, oh, that is a big wallet. And she said, really? You know this man? Oh, he had he's married and he had a children, and then the Filipina lady on that time on the restaurant of Egypt, she said, I'm sure somebody in there. Yeah. Thanks for the thumbs up. Oh my God. There's a lots of many people who thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Imagine, breaking news, breaking news. Breaking news. The big wallet is out on his mind. Imagine he spend his time to go to the cemetery. Ew. For only to cursing me. Oh my God. You're very funny. And then you think that I be mad? You're the one mad. Because you mad, being a coward of your mad, you go to the cemetery and shout your... Imagine he spend his time to go to the cemetery.